everyone. This printer is Canon Pixma TR4756i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to reset all factory settings, how to reset this printer completely. What you need to do is you need to go to this setup button, the button with gear and spanner. Select on it. It will show you setup mode. Use right arrow button, go to device setting, then you select OK. It will show you print setting. Scroll to the right all the way to reset settings, then you select OK. It will show you web service setup. Select again LAN settings, telephone no data, settings data, fax settings, all data. So you select all data. All fax documents in memory will be deleted. Then you select OK. Reset, yes or no. Use right arrow, go to yes, select OK. And once you've done that, the printer will no longer be connected to network. Then you select OK to reset. Show you processing, initializing the setup. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. So this is how to reset the printer. And if you want to reconnect it, then you need to go to this button again to set up. Then select Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi setup. Select OK. It will ask you, please wait momentarily. Then easy wireless connect. Then you select OK. It will show you processing. Then it will ask you to follow instruction on your PC. So this is how to reset the printer and follow instruction on the PC or laptop. Then you go back to the laptop to connect the printer to your network, or you go back to the mobile phone, go to your Play Store. If you want to connect it, you go to Play Store and install Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app, open it up. This is Canon Print app. Then what you need to do is you go on top, add a device, search for printer. It will start to process. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Then you select no. When the printer is found on the next, select next. Connect to device, then select connect. It's connected and it's processing. So it's processing. Then you find the Wi-Fi network. Do you want to connect this? Then you select yes. Communicating with the printer. Easy wireless connect. Then you select OK. It's connected. Then you select OK. It's connected. Then you select OK. You wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. You wait for the process to complete. Communicating with the printer. This will take 150 seconds. Then you close this. And the printer is connected. It's online. This is the printer. So this is how to reset this printer and reconnect it back to a mobile device. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed.